I'm Greg.
And I'm Brandon.
And we're with GL Robotics, and we just got a truckload of Mingda Magician Pro 2 3D printers in. All right, let's get into this thing. I'm excited. How about you, Brandon? You excited about this?
I'm very excited.
We don't need that. All right, look at this. The thing I like about Mingda is they really package this stuff so well. I don't have to worry about it coming in damaged. Whatever. So we're going to get this thing unboxed, laid out on the table, and then we'll show you how easy it is to put together. Wow, this thing is huge, Brandon. I didn't realize how big it was.
I didn't either. It's a very large printer.
All right.
So one thing you want to consider when opening this is you don't want to touch these lead screws for the Z-axis while you're opening it. You want to be very careful not to mess with those.
And another thing you don't want to do is lift it by the heat bed, because you could warp the heat bed or damage the wheels on the bottom.
So here's what you'll find in the box. This is the gantry, and this is the main chassis. Give me that. This is the extruder. This is the filament holder. There's the power cable, the instruction manual, some sample filament, and the toolkit. So the first step is to install the gantry onto the main chassis. And to do that, you want to move these support rods out of the way.
One thing you need to be careful of is this 26-pin connection. The nice thing about this printer is that it does not have an external cable that goes to the hot end. And so there's nothing to get in your way or impede a large print. And so we'll show you that right now. You got them all in there?
They're in there. I just have to tighten them down.
All right. And that's really all there is to it. All right. The next thing we're going to do is show you how to connect all the wiring. We're going to rotate that around so you can see it. So you need to attach the wiring here, which is a simple plug, and then the stepper motor wiring needs to be plugged in right here, just like that.
And you do the same thing on the opposite side. Just like that. And then you attach the power supply to the heat bed. And this requires a couple of screws. And then it's done. The next step is to install the extruder. While you're doing this, you want to be sure to tighten the back screw first. Otherwise, it can negatively impact the auto leveling. Now when you do this, you want to kind of hold it in place with the top screw, but don't tighten it down.
Oh yeah, good idea. Man, I love that this thing's direct drive.
I do too.
It makes it so much easier to use.
Way less stuff in the way.
And you can use TPU.
All right, and then you just plug in the ribbon wire here. All right. Next, we install the spool holder for the filament.
Nice, that was easy. And then we're gonna plug it in here. Something like that. Turn it on, fire it up, and it's ready to go. So look for our next video where we'll show you how to load the filament, how easy that is, and how to level it. So thank you for watching. And as always, you can go on glroboticsusa.com to get more information, or look at us on our Facebook page. And we do have a Mingda support group Facebook page. And all that information is on our website. Have a great day.